So today I wanted to introduce you to this fine product that my lovely wife found out about on the internet, and she introduced me to it. It's called Misto. And what it is simply a gourmet olive oil spray. Let me just put it there for you to read it. And it has a pump. It has whatever technology inside of it that you put your olive oil in. You fill it up to halfway, and then you pump it. All right. Let me see if I can. You pump it somewhat like this, up and down, to build up the compression, and then after you build the compression, you simply spray your oil. So instead of having those oil spray that have the different chemical in them, Misto allows you to put oil in your pot without any additional chemical. I think it's a lovely item to have in the kitchen, and I'm gonna test it out today. All right, so here I sprayed some oil in my skillet, and I'm just gonna saute some shrimp in it. All right, so I really like it. Let me pump it one more time. Yeah, that's Misto. I think everybody who is a gourmet what the word aficionado, you hear me, use the big word.
I don't know that word. Keep pumping until it can't pump no more. That's how you get the aerosol effect.
So you pump it until it can't pump no more, but it's just olive oil. And if you have other oil mixtures, sure, you're welcome to use them.
Supposed to spray like an aerosol. Right.
Bop, 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 bop. And this is, as I said, ladies and gentlemen, olive oil, sauce of olive oil. All right. And to that olive oil, I'm going to add some shrimp. Just to saute. Whoa. My pot low. So, that way it won't burn. All right, you hear it? You hear it? You hear the tune? All right, so that's Misto, ladies and gentlemen.